Measure your wheel height though, unlike I did.
I'm just gonna max them out to the highest they go.
Why?
Because they're still gonna lower the car. Because they're still gonna lower the car. So we're gonna go ahead and lower it down. This is a moment of truth to see how not accurate my calculations were. My calculations being all the way high, so.
Put it down, it just stuffs in the fenders.
I was thinking monster truck stance, so. Oh, dang it. Oh, man. Oh, no.
How did you manage to go higher on coilovers?
That is not on a jacket. So anyone watching, you're gonna want to thread that up at least a lot. So 1 inch,
nice and stiff.
1 inch of threads is minimum. I wouldn't run it personally. Unless you go in safari stance, this is not the way to go. So now I have to go and redo all that. This is why we didn't connect the sway bar. It's easier to now adjust it lower. Yep, I'm gonna take some measurements and fix this.